I have here is a table base I took apart. It was given to us for free. The wood I'm going to use for the top is a plywood door that I got for free. I bought the trim molding to go around the top. I kind of like the chippy paint look. What they did is they painted over like a poly coating, and it's not staying on very well, so I'm going to put a coat of clear polyurethane over top of this to keep that chippy look. And here we go. Okay, I've cut the two sides down. You can see I've used metal pieces to hold where I've cut together. I've got a pocket hole guide, but I don't know how to use it yet. I haven't played around with it. I used the pocket holes that were already here to attach the top. Did the same thing to this side. I've reattached the legs. And now I'm going to move on to putting the trim work on. Well, I've got the table top on. I've got the shelf on the bottom. I'm going to finish priming and painting, and then I will show you what I'm going to do to decorate it. This is the paintbrush I always look for. I call it my crappy brush. This is my priming brush. It's in very bad shape, but it works. Okay, I'm ready to paint. The primer's dried. I've got some Bear paint. I just had to mix me up a little container of it, and if I don't have enough, they can mix some more. I had them color match it. So here we go. Okay, I've now got the table painted, 2 coats of paint, and I'm going to put the flowers on. I'm going to start on this corner and work my way down to that corner, and I'm going to start out with a few and make them get thicker and bring them down over the front. Okay, this is what I have so far. I'm not sure I'm really pleased with it. I want it to look like there was a bunch in the corner and then scattered to a few at the top. I've cut out some more, so I'm going to see how that looks. Okay, I've added the extra flowers. I like that a little better. It kind of takes care of some negative space there on the upper left and the lower right. And I think that's what was bothering me. I guess I'm too parallel. I don't do random very well. I've got my bedside table done. I've got it in place. The bed is a little high. My husband and I made like a half wall to put over top of the frame because the box spring made it even higher, and I couldn't hardly get in it. This is the antique bed frame I have, and it just wasn't made for box springs. And I'm really happy how this turned out. I got my little storage baskets I got from Hobby Lobby on clearance. They were originally $20, and I paid $5 for each one. I got lots of storage. Come back next week. This little table, the top is a plywood door that I got for free. The molding that goes around the edge I did buy. The wrapping paper that I used to put on the top I already had. Plywood on the bottom for the bottom shelf was salvaged out of an old camper. And so basically the only thing I bought was a small little pod of paint, which was like, I think it was $3 or $4. The trim molding was about $5. and the 2 metal brackets that I used to hold the table together after I trimmed the sides off. Those were about $2. So what's that come to? 4, 6, less than $10 I believe it would be to make this, because the table was free. Come back next week.